Lego machines. I've typically built one or two at a time before having to take them apart to create a new one. However, with my return to uploading videos, I plan on adding a new one to my collection each time. Welcome to part 1 of the series where I plan to turn my home office into a Lego arcade. After contemplating which game to add next, I think it only makes sense to design a new basketball arcade. Now, I've built a few of these in the past, each with their own designs and features. A few key features I'll be looking to add to this game include moving hoops, scoring, and multiple game modes. I'll look to add the classic coin detecting mechanism and potentially some lighting, but I've got plenty to do before then. To enhance the functionality, I want to be able to program this machine. Having used my only LEGO NXT brick in the Comet Catcher game, I've purchased another one for this machine. I now have additional cables, 4 motors, and a Mindstorms brick. These components should be sufficient to control all the features of the game. Before starting the build, I've also defined the scale of the game, with a custom designed 3D printed ball that sits approximately in between the size of a Lego ball and a table tennis ball. Whilst this prototype has proven a concept, there are aspects I'll be refining as this project progresses. I plan to design additional 3D printed components throughout the build to enhance the game and achieve unique designs that might not be as effective as using Lego alone. Now that I have an understanding of the scale and the features I'll be adding to this game, I've created the base plate. The base plate sits at 42 studs wide by 64 studs long. This should be sufficient to accommodate the features mentioned earlier, but before building up the base plate too much, I'll hop onto Studio to confirm the layout. I've sectioned off the front area where I plan for the game controls, as well as the back portion to allow the scoring mechanisms behind the backboards. I also have to consider the distance in which the basketball is launched. This looks reasonable as long as the arc of the ball is short and high. This is however something I will figure out later down the track and will involve a bit of testing to get right. At the moment, this model is purely about understanding the layout and provides an opportunity to figure out the sections of the game without spending too much time building. Another advantage having this designed virtually is that it provides a great opportunity to figure out what parts I can utilize from my collection and also calculate how many bricks I might need to purchase. Here, I'll look into the various brick types and work out the most cost-effective option. Over the next few weeks, I'll be working on building up the frame using the digital version as a reference. I'll also figure out a design for the side panels and create a list of additional items that I might have to order. During this time, I'll provide updates and shorts to capture some details that might typically be missed when I only upload the final version. Let me know what section of the build you're looking forward to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.